Next, Will, once we get those on there, we need to get these stained, huh? I'm going to use this leftover flooring. So the top of the cabinet and the two sides.
Do we want to use the same stain I just put on the boards in there?
No, we're going to use, you mean versus doing the black?
Those turned out really, really well, I think.
I'd rather these be
The
natural
same.
wood because they're kind of nice.
Kind of cool, like a lighter interior.
That's what I'm thinking. That's pretty close.
Give me another 5 minutes. Just kidding. I know you're on the edge of your seat, but.
It's like a kid at Christmas. Ready?
Yep. Ooh.
Beautiful.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
2x4s and leftover engineered flooring. Can you believe it?
Only because we built it.
I love the way that the colors here are captured in that finish. You see how that color translates?
This one has a little bits of black in it, and this one has a little bits of brown.
Let's assemble the sides and then put this thing together.
All right.
Cool. Come up, drop those in, drop the panels in, put them together, good to go.
Okay.
Arizona's a long ways away from the shadow of the Great Cascades. 7 years in a passenger plane, oh, made for miles melt away. But did you see what you want to see?
It's right out of the way.
What you looking
Just-
for?
Well, what do you think?
I like it.
Oh,
Oh, pistol.
Before they railroaded you.
Dude, this is cool. Looking good, brother, looking good.